Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to transform your side hustle using powerful AI tools. So I will be showing you a few AI tools right here. For example, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a powerful tool where you can create script, you can create stories, and then you can use it later for your business. So for example, here is the tip. If you want to use or if you want to create something like or ask ideas from ChatGPT, you can ask whatever question you want here for your business. So that is the advantage of knowing ChatGPT or this AI tool. Another thing is that if you're planning to create or build a YouTube channel, that is all about how to tutorials. You can ask ChatGPT for any topic that you want or niche, and then ask ChatGPT also to create a step-by-step voiceover or tutorial about specific topic, for example, Canva. You can ask ChatGPT for that, and then what you're going to do next is, of course, you have to install OBS Studio or any screen recorder, and then just start your screen recording. After that, you can also ask ChatGPT to create a script for your video or how to tutorial video. Everything is here. You can just basically ask ChatGPT for step-by-step tutorial and also voiceover. After that, you can use CapCut or other editing tool to add a voiceover and edit. And then you can now start uploading this video to your YouTube channel and earn money. So another thing is that aside from asking ChatGPT for script or for any idea, you can also ask ChatGPT to create a specific script for your voiceover in case that you are planning to build an ASMR or any horror YouTube channel. You can ask ChatGPT for a script for that. And all you have to do is just basically generate images using Leonardo AI or using ChatGPT. It can also generate images here and then add them to your CapCut and then start your voiceover. Now, if you're planning to sell, for example, if you want to sell ebooks to Gumroad, or if you want to sell something like, for example, storybook, planner, whatever it is, Canva for editing. So let's just say if you want to sell ebook to Gumroad, or if you want to post something to your YouTube channel. For example, if you want also to edit video, you can edit video in Canva if you want. So let's move on to selling ebooks to Gumroad since the tutorial is all about how to transform your side hustle using powerful AI tools. So we will be creating here, for example, a children's storybook, and then we're going to make it or create it with the help of Canva. So what you're going to do here is generate a story using ChatGPT. Once you have your story here, what you're going to do next is you have to go to Canva. So Canva is a free editing tool, but I strongly suggest, if possible, upgrade your plan into Pro to unlock features. Here in Canva, just tap on create, and then here you have to search for ebook. Then you will see here the size for ebook, which is, of course, you have to download this as PDF. So we have here the ebook, tap this one, and then you have to go to design and then look for something like children's story or children's book, and you will see different templates here that you can use. So all you have to do is select one, but since we are using not the pro version, we have to drag the template without a crown. So now what you're going to do is you have to simply go to element and then search for clouds since the story is all about the little cloud. So you can go to element and then go to graphics. What you're going to do next is drag any cloud graphic right here and then double click or drag this to the page or font page, and then feel free to edit. So you can just basically change the font style, font color, and font size. You can just add whatever element you want to add here. You can add more butterflies, trees. You can change the background color. And then once you're done, then all you have to do is copy and paste the title here and then drag it anywhere. For example, this one. Feel free to change the color if you want. Feel free to edit whatever you want here. I know that you can do better than this. This is just a guideline. So once done, then you can tap on the add page right here. Now here in the next page, what you're going to do is you have to copy the story, for example, the first few lines, and then tap on text, click add text, and then paste the story right here. You can decrease the size, you can change the font size, font color, and also the font style. Everything is up to you. And then tap add page again, copy paste. You can add elements and so on. You can edit, you can add effects if you want. Once you're done, then what you're going to do is tap on the share icon on the right side and then download this as PDF. Once done, you can now go to Gumroad and then create an account on Gumroad. So all you have to do here is to set up your Gumroad. You can start selling. You can just basically create an account using your Google, Facebook, and so on. Go to products, and then here you have to create new product. You have to enter the name of your product right here. So let's just say children's storybook, something like that. And then you have to tap on ebook if you're using ebook, but everything is up to you. Once you tap ebook here, you have to scroll down and then set the price for your ebook. And then for the rest, or if you tap next, you can customize everything here. You can add thumbnail, you can add image, and then after that, you're going to upload a PDF here. And then you can change everything if you want. You can add more details, save and continue, and then after that, publish. Copy the link and then paste it to your client, give it to your client, to your customers, and then so on. So basically, these are the few ways on how to transform your side hustle using powerful AI tools. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.